Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Marachi here again. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to come up with this amazing fat burning drink that will help you in detoxifying your system, cleansing your colon, and also get rid of bloating. So if you want to learn how I come up with this drink, keep watching. If you are just stopping by for the first time, thank you very much for stopping by. Please do subscribe and also put on the bell so you won't miss out any of my content. The first ingredients that we're going to be needing for this amazing drink is carrots. Carrot contains beta-carotene, fiber, vitamin K, potassium, and antioxidants, which are very good for your body. They are also very low in calories and they aid weight loss. They also improve your eyesight and lower your cholesterol level. Carrot is also loaded with lots of vitamin A, which is very good for your skin. They also help in cleansing your liver, cleansing your colon, detoxifying your system, and also aid digestion. So carrot is very good when you want to lose weight. It's a food that is very low in calories. You can snack on carrots when trying to lose weight, and you also be in shape with good health and glowing skin. I'll be using 3 carrots for this recipe. You want to peel the carrot first, then you wash the carrot with water and salt. The next ingredients that we're going to be needing is 1 large cucumber. I will be using cucumber for this recipe because cucumber contains high amount of water. It is very low in calories and contains 96% water. It helps in hydrating the skin. It contains antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, which are very good for your body. It also aids weight loss. It helps in cutting out those bad fats in the stomach, help in detoxifying your system, help in digestion, and also help in getting rid of bloating. It also helps in lower your blood sugar level and promote regularity. So when trying to lose weight, cucumber is one of those best fruits to incorporate in your diet. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is ginger. Ginger is a plant that God has blessed us with. Ginger contains high amount of anti-inflammatory. It helps in suppressing your appetite. It also contains high amount of antioxidants, which will help in getting rid of cold, flu, and nasal. It's very good for weight loss because it suppresses your appetite, enable you to stay longer without craving for snacks, and it also lower your blood sugar level. The next ingredient that we're going to be needing is lemon. Lemon contains high amount of vitamin C. It also contains citric acid, which can aid weight loss. Lemons also help in preventing kidney stones, protecting against anemia. It helps in reducing the risk of cancer and improve digestive health. I'll be using the lemon, 1 whole lemon, and also half the zest of a lemon for this recipe. because the zest of a lemon also contains high amounts of vitamin C, which you want to add in your weight loss diet. So after transferring all ingredients to my blender, I will be adding 1 cup of water to the blender, and then I will be blending it to a very smooth paste. If you want to take it as a smoothie, you want to blend very well to arrive at a very smooth consistency, but I will be sieving out the juice from this recipe. So after blending, I will be sieving out the juice. Nothing is a waste. After sieving out the juice from this recipe, you can dry the fiber, you can store the fiber, you can use it as a scrub, you can even use it as swallow. You can make it a swallow. If you want to learn how I make my swallow, my veggie swallow, I will link it up icon below. I have a video where I made my cabbage swallow. You can also use the techniques on how I made my cabbage swallow to make any of your veggie swallow. So there is nothing that is a waste. Don't throw that away when sieving it out. So I will be transferring the juice to my jar. This juice will help you in clearing your colon, cleansing your system, helping you in getting rid of bloating. If you want to lose weight, taking this drink in the morning on an empty stomach and also at night before going to bed will help you in losing those belly stubborn fats drastically within no distance time. If you are taking this drink, please mind your diet, eat less carb, and also do mini exercise. Thank you very much for watching. There are 2 videos that will pop up on the screen at the end screen of this video. Do check it out to see what is in the content. And I will see you in my next video. If you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe and also put on the post notification bell so you won't miss out any of my content. Thank you for watching and remain blessed. Bye.